And a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bankrolls, cause I got bankrolls and I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash.
Alright, what's going on, everyone? Today we're out here with One Way Rosati. I don't know if you can see him, but we're around his side of town. I guess this is Upper Darby. We're about to go to Wildwood. I don't know what he's doing, but I think he's grabbing a mask.
Yo, what time is it?
It is 9:51. Alright, we just got pulled. No.
Never.
Damn. I was going a little over the speed limit, just a slight bit. The guy was cool though. Hopefully we get away with a warning. I'm praying. But
nah, he's not.
I think he'll give us a warning.
Nah.
I'm praying.
Nah, he probably will. He's cool as shit.
Let's pray that I get a warning and we'll be off. I've not ridden this bike in a hot minute. Oh God. Oh my God, this bike is so weird. I don't like it. We made it to the beach.
We did make it to the.
We're at the beach. Alex, what do you have to say about the beach?
Cold as.
It's cold. Yeah. It's cold. I want to go home. Press the gear.
This one?
No, not the big one, the little one. The little one.
How do you not get the hang of it? Oh. No. Huh?
Jake's down here.
Jake Zapo. Ew. What's going on? Cause he has to. Yeah, he does.
Left side, please. Yeah. We go. Oh, you racer.
it's late. It's kind of like, it's like 10-ish. But I just got home. Got the bikes right here. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be down in Wildwood a little more in the summer, probably like during like July and stuff, because it was pretty fun down there, not gonna lie. It was just cold. So once it gets warmer, I'll be down there. So if you guys like to see this type of content, then let me know, and I'll go down to Wildwood more. Thank you.